face. This little bench for us. What it is. People, we are
good.
back. It's been a
Long time.
since we made a
Video.
so here we are in the
Park.
close to our
Drone.
house. Almost. And this is what we're doing. We're doing a little drone video. So yesterday we did a little bit of Eddy promised me that I could have a little bit of drone time. So this is it. This is FPV drone. Eddy's gonna be going playing about, and I'm gonna try to get some cool shots of him. Maybe get some nice slow-mo. And it's a beautiful day. Not that much wind, which is rare. So I'm gonna take advantage of the morning. Do a little bit of this. Try to make maybe squeeze a video out of it. What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think of the weather?
Good.
Yeah, it's great, eh?
And it's also early.
Yeah, it is. It is early, so we're getting a jump on things this morning. So
It's
we're gonna
9 o'clock.
yeah, we're gonna profit from the day, and we already had a little bit of a breakfast, but it's not that hot. Let's just say it's not that hot. Still like sweater and small jacket time. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a breeze, but nothing much. So this is it. What it is. So we got our little drone over here. This is a new thing. So I have another channel that I have the link downstairs, down below. It's called FPV or RDP FPV, I think. No, GCP FPV. I don't even know the name of it. And it's all just FPV videos. So this is the new drone. And basically what it is that you look at it through goggles and you see what the drone sees. So it's actually pretty cool to do. So this is what it is. So we'll see how it goes. It's not going to be that crazy of an adventure, really, but it's just more of like enjoying the outdoors and flying a drone and trying to get some cool shots, right?
Yeah.
And practicing my pilot skills because it's been a while. So here we go. Without any further ado, here we
Go.
yeah. Drone's in the air. I don't know how I'm gonna sync it, but I'm gonna try to talk you guys through what I'm seeing through the goggles, and you'll see what I'm seeing. So here we go. Okay, I'm going up, down, up, down, up. Okay, here we go. So this is what it is. Let's take a little stroll in the park. There we go here. And this is the beauty of it. So you can go here and you can fly everywhere. Where are you? Okay, now it's going back. There we go. That's us. All right. Let's go explore. And the thing is, yeah, who cares? I'm allowed to be here in the drone. Okay, so we're gonna go through these trees. This is the beauty thing about this FPV style is that you can actually kind of go through things.
And also,
Like-
this drone comes with a pair of goggles where
You kind of fly everywhere. Just gotta be careful for people. We gotta go. Well, be careful for branches too. Go around here, explore a little bit. Yep. I've crashed this one a few times too. No, this one could take a bit of a hit. So this is what am I? I think I'm in normal zone, normal mode. Whoa, oh, that was close. I just fly like this. Just fly through the things. You even go here. You know, should I put it in sport mode? I just say it's the first. If it's the first. Yeah, let's go sport mode. So I think sport mode is gonna be sport mode. So basically, this is gonna be faster. Let's go back to normal mode. Nope, that's not go back to normal mode. Let's see Eddy. A little shaky.
Daddy, you was right. You was correct.
No way. Oops. Low battery already. No.
Okay.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Is it?
Yeah, I ate it.
Why is it doing that? Okay, I gotta bring it back home. There you go, throw it down. Stop. Alright, so that's what it is.
Huh?
You having fun?
Yeah.
Probably I'm having more fun than you there because I'm actually doing you moving the drone. But we're flying around. You got a little bit of footage. Oh, the sun's in behind me. And now we're gonna move to the second spot. We have got one battery left because what happens with these batteries is that when you charge them and you don't use them, they uncharge themselves a little bit, a certain percentage, because to hold a battery fully charged and just store it, it's not good for the battery. So they have this little feature.
Daddy, how much battery is the maximum for the drone?
What do you mean? How much battery is the maximum for the drone?
100.
100% is the maximum for the thing, but I think I put it in now. I think it's at like 80. But even at that, even if it's at 100%, I mean, FPV drones they last like 15 minutes. They last 15, like maybe like 20 minutes max of flying, regular flying. So if I'm like going up and down, or if I'm going fast and stuff, they gotta have a less time. So full battery, it doesn't really last that long anyway.
So I'm guessing like a battery is like only like every single second is like 1 minus battery.
Not every second, because then one battery would be 100 seconds, right? But it uses it pretty fast. And this one is a DJI Avata, so it actually has a longer battery life than usually, because the usual FPV drones, they last like 5 minutes max. So you're like constantly changing batteries. So anyway, whatever, it's fun. It's fun while it lasts. It's a little bit cool. We're gonna go, and now we're gonna go. Now we're where? We're going?
We're going to the park next to a tennis field.
We're going to the where?
We're going to a park next to a tennis field.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the playground, and we're gonna try to pass. We're gonna do some gaps.
Like that, because like it's tennis.
Yeah. So this is tennis. This is tennis here, tennis courts. Well, you saw them. We saw them in the drone footage anyway. And then now we're going to the things, and over here, hopefully, there's not even any kids, and then we can go through gaps. Like gaps are like little small spaces.
Yeah, but that's gonna be like dangerous because like you're not an official pro.
Yeah, I'm not an. Eddy says I'm not an official pro. But over here, there's some gaps at the splash pad gaps. So we'll take the pic table. There's kids though, so we gotta be really careful. And whatever. I mean, we don't. There's some kids playing over there, but I don't have that much battery left. So we'll just gotta kill this battery, and then after we'll call it a day. So this is what it is. This is FPV flying drones, and it's not gonna be the craziest of the adventures, but it's still gonna be good. Yeah, but the toy's broken. Okay, so stay tuned for some more FPV footage, and this time it's going to be in the playground. Let's go. Yo, what it is. So this is what it is. So we're back making some videos. We're trying to put them in, just that they take so much time, and I didn't have much time.
So there's these two kids. They're trying to just throw stuff at the drone.
Yeah, they're trying to throw it. But I think I got it on video a little bit. They tried to shoot a big stick at the drone.
Yeah,
But-
and he crashed 2 times. One time on the tree, and one time next to the big playground.
What do you mean? I crashed I think it was twice on a tree, no? Anyways, yeah, so 2 crashes, but you know, with FPV, it's when you try to get close and try to go into little spaces,
It's kind of hard.
it's kind of hard, but this drone is built strong, and it took the hits, and it lived to see another day, and we'll definitely have more flights. But this is just a quick little video, show us what we're doing and what we're up to. Now the weather's getting nicer, so it gives us kind of like in the mood of making some more videos. What do you think?
Yes.
We have a vacation coming up at the end of June.
We're definitely gonna make a video of that.
Yeah, so there's going to be a few videos coming out of there.
Yeah.
And so that's it. So stay tuned. We'll try to get this thing back on track. You know, I know it's been a while, but what the heck is that?
What? It's me.
Oh man, that scared me. I thought it was an animal. Oh my days. You can see you're sneaky behind the back.
What animal do you think it was?
I don't know, like a squirrel or something maybe. But I just got really close.
Squirrels-
Anyway,
Squirrels always on their way.
that's what it is. So from Eddie Greg 2.
And Eddy Greg 1 to the next one.
Peace.
To
To
the
the next one. You want to do that again? Oh no, click subscribe to give. Okay. Okay. So from Eddie Greg 2 and
Eddy Greg 1.
click subscribe and
Take the bell.
and
To the
no wait. Oh man, we are so bad. So from Eddie Greg 2
and Eddy Greg
and
1.
Greg 1, click subscribe, tick the little bell, and
Peace.
peace.
To the next one.